How to safely install a 6 kilogram PROGAS cylinder. Step 1. Place the cylinder upright on a flat, stable surface in a well-ventilated area. Step 2. Assemble the burner. Start by removing the protective seal from the base of the control knob. Next, fix the collar onto the base and rotate it clockwise until it is firmly secured. Step 3. Remove the seal. To remove the seal safely, pluck the key-like extension from the navy blue PROGAS seal. Insert the key in the seal lock and twist anti-clockwise to open. Step 4. Align your burner with the cylinder valve. Place it gently on top and twist clockwise until it's tight and secure. Step 5. Place the grill on top of the cylinder on the ends. Final step. Turn on and light. A steady blue flame means you're ready to cook.